Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am making vegetable fried rice. I know everybody loves Chinese food, right? Hope you will like this recipe. One cup of cooked basmati rice, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 2 tablespoons spring onions bulbs, 1 tablespoon chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Here I have 2 tablespoons all the vegetables like spring onion, red onion, green peas, cabbage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, carrot and green beans. And we need vinegar, light soya sauce, red chili sauce, green chili sauce, salt to taste, half tablespoon black pepper and 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. Heat up the kadai, keep the flame on high. Now add vegetable oil. Once oil is hot, add green chili, garlic and ginger. Add spring onion bulbs, celery. Keep stirring. Now add onion, green beans, carrot, cabbage. Keep stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper and green peas. Keep stirring for 3 more minutes. Now add little bit salt and black pepper. Add soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons, vinegar 1 tablespoon, green chili sauce half tablespoon, red chili sauce half tablespoon. Mix it well. Now add the cooked rice. Add little bit of salt and black pepper. Stir it gently. Now add spring onions. Vegetable fried rice is ready. Switch off the flame and let's dish out. Garnish with some spring onion. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.